Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will ask some GK question about animals. So let's get started. First question is, what is the name of national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Next question is, which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Answer is octopus. Which animal can see even with its closed eyes? Answer is camel. What is the national animal of India? Answer is tiger. Which animal dies after drinking water? Answer is kangaroo rat. Which sea animal's blood is blue in color? Answer is octopus, because it contains a protein called homocyanin. Which insect can live without its head for a week? Answer is cockroach. Which animals has 3 eyes? Answer is totara. Totara found in New Zealand. Next question is, which animal cannot walk backwards? Answer is kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Next question is, which animal can sleep for 3 years? Answer is snails. Okay. Next question is, how many teeth does a mosquito have? Answer is 47. Next question is, which bird cannot fly? Answer is ostrich. Not only it, emu, kiwi, penguins, all of these also cannot fly. Next question is, which birds has no wings? Answer is kiwi. Kiwi is the national animal of New Zealand. Next question is, which animal gives both milk and eggs? Answer is duck-billed platypus. It is found in Australia. Next question is, which animal cannot jump? Answer is elephant. Last question is, what is the creature that never sleeps? Answer is ant. For your kind information, bullfrog is another creature that also never sleeps. That's all. If you like, do like, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any notification. Bye. Meet you all soon. Thanks for watching this video.